Pam pam neba. Anyị bụ ndị ama Jehova. Una na-ejekwa ụka. Anyị si ka anyị bịa kene unu.
Mr. Peter,
Hey!
So you are the thing sleeping with my husband. Yeah, no game one. Defending and my husband.
Ndị achị nọ. Ka m vidiyo ya. Ka m tinye na Facebook.
You are a mumu man.
Useless husband, the guy is playful mother, a man without vision, a man without future.
Chai.
Futureless. Yeah, one day no husband, your mafota. That useless man. In the village people use gun destiny, keep a husband.
Hell.
He had always been going to go teach you from now. He's going to hey, I become me can go. He's a young man, always on. Thank you for helping me out in doing my job in heaven. Vocation. Makachi, only go here, cook it and put him to sit die for now. My husband, keep or slave. Yeah, I know your kuma. If for my husband is slave,
Chai.
I will deal with you. I will so deal with you. For that guy over there. Your life will be as useless as that guy over there.
He shot you.
If this boy in a pot not useless. This handsome boy is not useless. Useless is get to be romance. Your husband is useless. Romance. Why I can we future? Man, I think it is futureless.
Madam, chori go to.
That is destiny. Village people are not looking at destiny.
Excuse
you. Very, very useless. Where is that calling?
Madam, excuse me.
Where is that?
Excuse me. Excuse me. You are not an uncle. On Amabu. Amabulu. I'm Kayfancy.
I was so dead. If I can now, why give for all day? 1 bedroom flat, 1 room and parlor, Ibiriachi. You know what the husband. I want to forget boss.
Madam, na good ko na apu. Ana ma jo na atudo na ona babu before. Are the useless in you?
You will be as useless as that boy.
Everywhere. God, Messiah, your life will be as useless as that boy. Speaking of short, action.
Hola, ma'am.
Hi.
Shot by the Ghana Victories.